know that harmful triglycerides in the blood can increase particularly easily in some people. In this video I'll explain why and what role your genes play in this. Triglycerides are a type of fat molecule that the body uses to store energy. They are transported in the blood by special transporters from the liver to the cells, where they are converted into energy. We need triglycerides in our bodies so that the cells have enough fuel for essential functions. However, that can be too much of a good thing. If we have too many triglycerides in our blood, they can deposit in arteries and cause cardiovascular disease. For this reason, it is essential that we always have enough, but never too many triglycerides in our blood. And that is where our genes come into play. Let's take a closer look at this process. Triglycerides can be obtained through our diet. Animal fats such as butter and lard, as well as plant oils, nuts and fatty fish contain high concentrations of this fat. Additionally, the body can produce triglycerides itself through the liver. So through these two different pathways, triglycerides get into the bloodstream and the blood level increases. Now it is up to the genes to prevent this dangerous increase. Certain regulatory genes become active and help lower the blood level. The result is a desired but not too high supply of triglycerides, and the heart is protected. However, things look different with defective genes. Again, triglycerides get into the bloodstream through diet or the body's own production. In this example, the regulatory genes are defective and cannot respond adequately. The result? Triglycerides rise dangerously, can deposit in the blood vessels and burden the cardiovascular system. One strategy to lower triglycerides is through diet. Foods particularly rich in fat should be reduced. These include animal fats, butter, lard, olives, coconut and soy oil, almonds, cashews, walnuts, and fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and tuna. Omega-3 fatty acid can also help get triglycerides back into the normal range. Additionally, a diet rich in fiber can reduce fat absorption from the food and thus lower triglycerides. So our genes are responsible for keeping triglycerides in check. If they do not cooperate due to genetic defects, regulation can easily get out of hand. We cannot repair defective genes yet, so it's up to us to do our best with the factors that we control, namely our diet, to keep our triglycerides in the normal range.